What's up, YouTube? Back with Cold Blooded, another Beyond Bent Productions. Today we're gonna check this thing out. You can read that. Mini chainsaw, 6-inch cordless cutting tree trimmer. New, made in China. You can get it on Amazon. I've already been playing with it. This little thing is cool. I like this. Check that out. Alright, now it does come with 26-volt batteries, but if you have one of these, it will slide right in there. You also have a way to tell how much battery you have, because the factory batteries do not. This will go on the rigid charger. Those probably will too. I haven't tried them yet. I just happen to think about what other kind of battery it has. Looks just like that. And there's this one. It looks just the same. The connection. So it does slide right in. Pull the trigger. This little thing is fun. It will cut down. It's about a 5.5, 4-inch tree. Yeah, it's about 4 inches, 5 inches. And we'll cut a tree that size down. And I'm out here getting rid of some of this privet. This makes this a lot better than a hand saw. I love this little thing. If you got a four-wheeler, throw it on four-wheeler, take it out woods. Got a tree in the way, chop it down. Let's find a nice sized privet tree out here to cut down. That's a pretty big privet tree. If you don't know what a privet tree is these little damn trees that grow these little right here. You turn little bushes, but if you leave them alone long enough, they will turn into a damn tree. And that's how you fix this problem. That's this. Gotta set you down for a minute. Alright. So we want our tree to fall that way, so something in my way right here. Alright, now this little bar right here that will come up out of your way. It's not a lock, it's not going to stop it. Keep going anywhere. Why you don't come out? Come out, you little piece. Come on out, you know you want to. Why you don't come out? That cut all the way around. Still don't want to come out. What a pain in the butt. Once you follow my fingers, you can follow that way. Let's get that muscadine vine tied all up in the top up there, if you can see it. Those are muscadine vines. And that's what I'm trying to get to come out of the woods and grow up towards the house. That's why I'm killing all these little trees. So they stop growing up and grow out. Fun. Alright, but yeah. I'll try to leave a description and the link below. But yeah, that's it. Get it on Amazon. 6-inch mini chainsaw tree trimmer. But it works great. Damn, take it outside, play with it. It makes yard work a lot more fun. So, alright man, peace out. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. And we'll make some more videos. Be good.